Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the font on your Shopify store using Google Fonts. Updating your store's typography is one of the easiest ways to give your website a fresh, professional look while matching your brand identity. Many Shopify themes already include a large selection of fonts, and if your preferred Google font is supported, you can switch to it in just a few clicks without editing any code. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin and go to Online Store, then click Themes. Find your current theme and select Customize to open the theme editor. Once the theme editor opens, look for the Theme Settings option, usually located in the left sidebar. Open it, then click Typography or Fonts depending on your theme. Here, you'll see options for your heading font and body font. Click on either font selector to open the font library. Many modern Shopify themes include a large collection of fonts, including numerous Google fonts that are optimized for web use. Browse the available fonts or use the search bar to quickly find the one you want. As you select different fonts, the live preview updates automatically, allowing you to see how your headings, paragraphs, buttons, and menus will look before publishing the changes. After choosing your preferred heading and body fonts, review your homepage and a few other pages in the preview. Make sure the text remains easy to read and that the font matches the overall style of your brand. Once you're satisfied, click Save in the top right corner. If the Google font you want isn't included in your current theme, some themes allow you to upload custom fonts or add additional font support through custom code. If you're comfortable editing theme files, you can add a Google font manually by linking it in your theme's code and applying it with CSS. Before making any code changes, it's always a good idea to duplicate your theme so you have a backup. Keep in mind that using too many different fonts can make your store look inconsistent and may slightly affect loading speed. For the best results, stick to one font for headings and another complementary font for body text. This creates a clean, professional appearance while maintaining excellent readability. After saving your changes, visit your storefront on both desktop and mobile devices. Check product pages, collection pages, blog posts, and the checkout experience to ensure the new fonts display consistently throughout your store. If you don't immediately see the updated font, refresh your browser or clear your cache, as browsers sometimes store older versions of your site's styling. If you're using a premium or third-party Shopify theme, the location of the typography settings may be slightly different, but most themes include a dedicated fonts or typography section inside the theme settings panel. If you can't find it, check your theme documentation or contact the theme developer for guidance. And that's it. That's how to change the font on your Shopify store using the Google Fonts method. With just a few clicks, you can refresh your store's appearance, improve readability, and create a design that's more consistent with your brand. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.